You budget carefully. You avoid unnecessary spending. You track every dollar. And yet, nothing really changes. You're stable, but you're not moving forward. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Being good with money is not the same as building wealth. And in many cases, it's exactly what keeps people stuck. Most financial advice is built around control. Spend less, save more, be disciplined. And it works, to a point, because control gives you stability. It makes you feel responsible. But control does not create growth. You can perfectly manage a system that has no ability to expand. If your income stays the same, if your money stays idle, then no matter how disciplined you are, your results stay limited. Budgeting creates a powerful illusion. It makes you feel like you're making progress. You organize, you track, you optimize, but all of it is focused on restriction, and restriction has a ceiling. There's only so much you can cut, only so much you can save. At some point, you run out of room, and when that happens, progress stops, even if your discipline doesn't. Wealth is not built through control, it's built through leverage. Leverage means your money works for you, your income grows over time, your decisions compound, but most people delay this. They wait to feel ready, they wait to feel safe, and that waiting becomes permanent. Meanwhile, those who move forward early focus on growth instead of protection. They invest sooner, they build income, they position themselves for opportunity, because wealth doesn't come from holding tighter. It comes from expanding smarter. Budgeting is not the problem, it's just not the full strategy. To move forward, the question has to change. Not, where can I cut more, but where can I grow more? Look at your income, look at your skills, look at your opportunities, and ask, is my money sitting still? Or is it working? Because wealth is not built by discipline alone, it's built by direction. Being good with money gives you stability, but stability is not the goal. Progress is. Control keeps you safe. Leverage moves you forward. And once you understand that difference, everything starts to change. If you want to understand how money really works, beyond basic advice, subscribe to VaultWise Daily. We break down the real principles behind wealth, so you can stop managing money and start building it.